And it goes a little something like.
Hello, welcome back guys. I am super excited today because I am finally going home and it's Monday. I am ready. So this is my outfit today. Black jeans and a black top with a black denim from top. So everything is done. I am ready. I had my breakfast and everything is done now, and I'm just waiting for the cab right now. So once the cab comes, we will be going and I'll see you then. So are you excited? A lot?
A lot.
I'm also excited. Vinagda, are you excited? You excited?
Yes.
So mask, check. Gloves, check. We have used two masks in order for protection. Everything checked, packing checked. Now just we are waiting for the cab and we are super excited, and this is very loose. This is our bag.
I'm going home. Somebody is going home after 10 months. So we are at the airport right now. We are going home after 10 long months. Finally.
And we exactly don't know what's the procedure.
So this lady is enjoying that social distancing mark.
We got our boarding passes, not boarding pass, your tag, right? No? We got our tags. Having so we are going here.
She almost got me caught right now. She had an earring in my bag. And I have to take out everything that I had packed. I repacked again in airport.
Finally, we finished all the.
Madam, mask pehn lo.
We finished all the checking process, and it was very lengthy. I almost showed my boarding pass for. Why? I almost showed my boarding pass for 10 times. And now I am near the gate number 22.
I'm 24, hai na?
22. And people are staring at me. I don't know why. I want to go to washroom also.
So this is the queue for boarding and at gate number 22. So we'll be going home from here hopefully very soon. We have some time, but I think I don't know why people are already online, and there's no social distancing as well. So let's see.
and she is my sister. So I'm on my way to home and it's very hot over here. I'm sweating like anything and I wore all black today, so it's very like I am burning in like heat right now. So let's see, I'll catch you all when I reach home. She's getting the bag. Don't mind this dirty wall. So hello guys, I finally reached home and I'm at my home and it's the another day, next day. So yesterday was very tiring and I just couldn't do the end part, so I thought why not come today here and do it. And let me tell you, it's so freaking hot over here and I just cannot, like I don't know how will I manage over here because Bangalore was much like chilled. And also I'm sorry for all the noises out there, but I just stay in a place where there are many people and there are many buildings and many like, so it is noisy and it's so, I was saying, and as I was saying, it's very hot over here. So it's very hot, like I just cannot tell you how hot it is over here. So I'm just having a second thought, like how will I do my videos, because in Bangalore only I used to feel so hot whenever I used to shoot, and here the weather is so freaking hot and I have to shoot without using a fan. That's gonna be a little task for me. And yeah, I have to tell you that I couldn't shoot while I was in this Bagdogra airport because it's a defense airport, because we are not allowed to film or photograph anything over there. So that's the reason I didn't shoot anything over there. So that's it. I have many things to do. I have my own plans over here, so I have to do that. So I just came here to say you goodbye and I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and I feel that I'll be doing more of vlogs this time because I'm at home and I might like show you all around how it is over here, and more of like vlogs because I don't know if I'll be able to shoot over here. It's very hot, like very hot. So I don't know, you can see like it's the sun rays that's falling on me and I don't have any lights, and I'm happy that it's quite bright over here and I need not use any lights. But on the other end, but the sad part is that I will feel it difficult to shoot because it's very hot. And do not mind my hair because I don't know what's wrong with it, it's all messed up. And yeah, that was it. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog and I'll see you soon with other interesting videos. Till then, take care, stay safe, lots of love. Oh acha, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell right beside it so that you get notified whenever I upload any new video. And also do not forget to hit on that thumbs up button and comment and share this video to as many people as you can, because that would mean a lot to me. I almost forgot to say that. Chalo, bye, take care.